Ladies and gentlemen, with the changes in the world around us, the Ministry is trying to accommodate some changes to its national youth policy, to articulate and regulate best practices that is needed for the better. The Fiji National Youth Policy 2023-2027 has been developed foremost to serve as a blueprint, provide guidance and direction for the Ministry of Youth and Sports and other relevant government ministries, departments as well, as shareholders and partners to operate collaboratively towards achieving key strategic priority areas for all youth in Fiji. The Ministry of Youth, ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Youth and Sports being the lead agency tasked with developing the full potential of Fiji's youth is committed to delivering impactful programs and services to combat ongoing issues faced by youths of today. The Ministry of Youth and Sports recognizes that it cannot achieve this alone, but a collective government approach through cooperation with other ministries and relevant organizations is vital. Youth play an integral role in the decision-making process, and their potential as key agents for social change, innovation, and future leadership is recognized by the Fiji National Youth Policy. The policy does not offer quick fixes, but seeks to develop the capability of youth as part of a long-term strategy and provides a holistic vision of Fiji where all youths are healthy, respected, safe, included, and empowered. It reaffirms the government's and the Ministry of Youth and Sports commitment to ensure that young people develop the confidence, resilience, and skills they need to evolve and develop as productive citizens. Fiji's youth have much to offer, and through them, the future sustainability and stability of Fiji will be safeguarded. With this revalidation exercise, ladies and gentlemen, we are hoping to have this policy implemented soon. That being said, this revalidation also gives us all an opportunity to deliberate on what is lacking, what can be improved, and what can be done to take youth development forward with the support and contributions of all stakeholders. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this time to also recognize the work carried out by our stakeholders, the task working group for this policy document. I would like to acknowledge our UN partners, in particular UNICEF, for supporting the ministry this far, as well as the International Organization for Migration in this revalidation exercise. Ladies and gentlemen, your presence and participations here today shows how important this policy is to your organizations and the benefit it will bring to the youth sector in Fiji. The ministry acknowledges the work you do in the space of youth and sports development and look forward to your contribution today. I believe there is much more work that needs to be done, but together, ladies and gentlemen, we can achieve more. I wish you all the best and wish you a healthy and constructive deliberation. Nawale.